Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Myself Harsha, I am a PEGA trainer, and in today's video we are going to see how to requeue the items which are broken while processing by an agent. Usually when we are working with standard agent, there is a possibility that while the activity is getting executed, the items will fail in processing. When the items are been failing during the processing, the queue items, their status will get automatically updated by the agent to a broken process status. So now how do you identify the broken items? How do you know what is the issue because of which it has been broken? And after you identify and fix the issue, how to requeue the items back into the queue table by modifying the status from broken process to schedule. So this particular functionality, how to implement it, I am going to show you in this video. So let's get onto our laptop and see how to achieve this. And before we get into the laptop, so if you have not subscribed to this channel by this time, I request you to subscribe the channel for more better videos and like the videos and share these videos with your friends. And moreover, to support us, we request you to comment, provide your feedback in the comment section below. And also if you have any questions related to your career guidance or related to learning PEGA rules, process commander or any other programming languages, please post your comments in the below comment section of this video. We are happy to assist you and help you. Thank you so much. In order to show you broken items, I'm just making a little bit of change in the activity. And here you go now. Ten divided by 0. What does it mean? Infinite value. So 10 divided by 0 is an arithmetic exception. It is going to be an arithmetic exception. Let us see now. So in order to make sure that these new changes are going to get baked, I'm going to restart my agent. Okay. And I'll trace it. I'm going to admin studio. And this is a standard agent. I'll stop this agent. It is being stopped. And I'm going to start this agent again. It has been started. I have restarted to make sure that the changes have to be picked. And now I'm going to queue the items into queue table. Let us see. Once I queue the items into the queue table, they should get into broken queue, correct? Broken status. Let us see if the new changes that we have made, if the changes have been picked, then status will be updated to broken process. Okay, I'm going to close work object 1, q1, q2, q3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Q3. Okay, 3 queue items I have pushed into the queue table. Let us see now. 3 queue items are there. Okay, and all are with which status? Scheduled status. Let me requery this. This have to be failing. Just let us wait for a while, like 30 seconds, like that. See, the status is being changed to broken. There is some processing issue. Status got modified to broken process. I need to find out the issue. I need to fix the issue, and I need to requery. So how do you find out the issue? Just go to the devs admin studio, and in the admin studio, you go to resource overview. Fair enough. Otherwise, here you can see. I'm sorry, agents. Okay, I'll show you here. Agent queues. Okay, go to agents queues in the resources, and here you see last one, broken. How many broken items are there? Service level event, already some of the broken items are there. What about our broken items? Total items are 7. I need a scroll bar here. Why it is not coming? System queue default entry. I'm sorry, this is service system queue default entry. How many queue items are there? 3 were broken due to some issue. Now you click on this item and scroll down. Somewhere you see exception. What is the exception? Divide by 0. You need to understand and analyze the issue and fix the issue. After you fix the issue, you need to requeue. In order to requeue, select all, and there is a button called requeue. Requeuing means the items will be, status will get modified from broken process to scheduled. Again, I did not fix the issue. This again should go into broken process. If I would have fixed the issue, this should be picked and processed. Let us see that. Again, should go to broken process. Maybe it will take time. In the meanwhile, so broken items are now 4 only. Means 3 I have requeued, right? Those have entered in. Those have been modified with status. And again, these 3 should fail. And you fix the issue and then you requeue it. How do you fix the issue? Just go to the activity and property set, checkout, and then delete this. Okay, and here you go now, save and then check in. Okay, and now I'll restart the agent once again. After restarting the agent, I'm going to requeue it. Where is it? Go back. Where is it? Agent queues, not agent queues, agents. Stop. And then again, you start this. Now you go to broken items. Agent queues. And here you go now. So how many broken items? 7. Out of which system queue default entry PRS queue 3. Now I am going to requeue this. Go here and see status should have been modified to schedule. Now let's go ahead and see if this is getting processed or not, because I made, if the changes are getting picked, definitely it should be processed. I restarted my agent after I made the changes, so definitely this should be processed. Okay, I'll wait for 30 seconds, just 30 seconds, because agent should wake up to process this. The items have been processed because I have fixed the issue and then requeued it. This is how you can requeue and process the item.